Accent walls are a powerful design tool, instantly transforming a space with a burst of personality, sophistication, or tranquility. When choosing an accent wall style, the possibilities are nearly endless, each choice offering a unique opportunity to reflect your own taste and the soul of your home. From eye-catching pops of color to subtle natural textures, the right accent wall makes a statement, whether bold or understated. But with so many styles to explore, how do you find the one that feels just right for you? Perhaps you gravitate toward a classic look. Painted accent walls have long been a favorite in homes across the world, and for good reason. A single wall, painted a deep navy blue or a rich forest green, creates contrast and anchors the room. In a neutral space, that one burst of color can act as a visual focal point, drawing the eye as soon as you enter. The beauty of paint lies in its simplicity. There are virtually limitless color options, allowing you to experiment with subtle differences in shade, like the gentle gradient of a blush pink or the drama of a charcoal black. Customers also love the affordable, accessible nature of paint, making it a perennial favorite among DIY enthusiasts and renters alike. But perhaps your style leans more modern, craving the textures instead of just hues. Enter the world of wood accent walls. Whether you choose sleek horizontal shiplap painted white for a fresh take on farmhouse chic, or reclaimed barn wood panels for a rustic vibe, the tactile quality of wood brings warmth and texture to a room. A wooden accent wall feels inviting and comforting, evoking memories of cozy cottages or mountain retreats. For a more dramatic approach, some homeowners opt for geometric wood slat walls, where thin, evenly spaced boards arranged in unique patterns can draw attention without overwhelming the space. This style blends particularly well with minimalist interiors, adding interest without clutter. Wallpaper is another favorite style, experiencing a remarkable resurgence in popularity. Today's wallpapers offer a delightful range of patterns and textures, from botanicals to bold geometrics, from subtle stripes to romantic florals. Peel and stick technology makes wallpaper accessible for those who love to experiment, or for those living in rentals. A wallpapered accent wall can bring in a touch of nostalgia or offer a modern twist, making even the simplest furnishings stand out. Metallic finishes, like shimmering gold leaf or silver motifs, add glamour and reflect light, making small rooms feel larger and more luxurious. Brick accent walls are yet another beloved choice, especially in city lofts and industrial-inspired homes. Exposed brick introduces an urban, gritty charm, contrasting beautifully with both vintage and ultra-modern furnishings. If your home doesn't have natural brick, there are convincing brick veneers and faux panels available, creating the same weathered look. Painting over exposed brick in a crisp white or soft gray can tone down the ruggedness, offering an elegant, light feel while retaining the intriguing texture of the material underneath. For some, stone epitomizes the ideal accent wall style. Whether it's rough river rock for a dramatic fireplace surround or sleek dark slate tiles for a modern bath, stone adds both permanence and luxury. The color palette of natural stone, subtle creams, grays, earthy browns, creates a calming atmosphere, perfect for spaces designed to be retreats from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Pairing stone accents with wood and metal finishes can build a multi-layered, sophisticated effect. Perhaps you desire something even more artistic, the allure of a mural accent wall. Murals can be hand-painted, digital prints, or even large-scale decals featuring anything from tranquil landscapes to abstract art or intricate cityscapes. A mural wall can serve as a dramatic statement piece, telling a story or evoking a favorite memory every time you walk by. This style is especially breathtaking in children's rooms, playrooms, or creative studios, where an injection of imagination and personality makes the space come alive. In recent years, painted geometric patterns have become trendy, fueled by the creativity of social media. A geometric accent wall might combine several shades in triangles, diamonds, or chevrons, adding boldness and energy. For a Scandinavian touch, opt for soft, dusty pastels. For a mid-century modern feel, Choose retro color blocks. The sharp lines and engaging color combinations work well in contemporary spaces, keeping them lively and fresh. Another rising trend is the use of tile as an accent wall, especially in bathrooms and kitchens. Subway tiles, Moroccan-inspired patterns, or even classic hexagons can add visual interest to backsplashes or shower walls. Glossy tiles reflect light and can make a smaller space feel polished and bright, while matte tiles in muted hues offer a sophisticated, understated look. For the creatively adventurous, fabric accent walls are another exciting option. Upholstered panels or stretched linen add softness, depth, and an acoustic dampening effect, making bedrooms and home theaters feel intimate. Bold printed fabrics can bring in visual drama, while velvet or suede imparts a sense of luxury and comfort. The choice of accent wall is ultimately a personal one. Some may prefer a high-impact look, vivid colors, oversized patterns, or layered textures, while others might lean toward the tranquility of natural materials, soft hues, and subtle contrasts. An accent wall should complement existing furnishings, harmonizing with the overall palette while offering something unexpected, a twist that feels inspired. When selecting the perfect style, consider the function of the room and how you want to feel in that space. In a bedroom, you might want calming blues or greens, or the softness of upholstered panels behind the bed. In a living room, a bold geometric or mural accent can spark conversation and set the mood for gatherings. Kitchens and baths benefit from the practicality and beauty of tile, while entryways offer a first impression, perhaps a sophisticated wallpaper or playful mural to welcome guests. No matter which accent wall style becomes your favorite, the key is to ensure it feels authentic to you. It's your chance to experiment, to play with color, shape, pattern, and texture, a blank canvas limited only by your imagination. Whether you opt for the comforting embrace of wood, the urban edge of brick, the delicate beauty of wallpaper, or the dynamic punch of color blocking, the right accent wall style serves as the heart of your room, a place where your style and spirit shine brightest. In the end, your favorite accent wall style is the one that makes you feel most at home, that draws you in and reflects who you are. It's a celebration of your own sense of beauty, a daily reminder that our living spaces are more than just walls and furniture. They are reflections of the people who inhabit them, layered with meaning, memory, and personal flair.